value or something that you would want to do. Okay. Hello, how are you, Tenfold? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. All right. And so my goal was, hey, I'm going to get paid and I'm going to use YouTube money, and I'm going to use it to do all the things that I enjoy doing. Okay. I enjoy doing while I'm having fun doing it, because I register it as a business. So things I do are tax write-off. Okay. So I'm enjoying what I'm doing while getting paid for it, and enjoying the luxury of it because it's under a business name. Okay. All right. All right. So I said, why not get paid from not only YouTube but other brands for my art? Because YouTube is an art, guys. I know for you it's probably not be a art, but you got to start taking YouTube as an art. Storytelling is an art, you know? And for the art, people will pay for it because you do it so easily. You do it so easily, so it doesn't come in like, you know, a art. But create your art. Create what you do so that others can appreciate it too as well. Okay. All right. So my goal now is not just to make content with purpose. I want to partner with brands that aligns with my stance. Okay. And so this is how you, as a YouTuber or a normal person who's just posting your pictures on Instagram or Facebook, you want to think about these things, right? Not just to post on these platforms, but to post it with a purpose that that aligns yourself. As long as people is commenting on your videos, guess what? Brands will work with you. Whether you are a content creator or not, they will reach out to you because they see the engagement on your page. All right. So I align myself with what I stand for. So I'm a girly. I love my family, right? So family comes first. Healthy eating comes second. Honest love comes third. I am not on a dating thing. I'm not encouraging anything like that. But I am married, right? So talking about honest love, and also as a mom. I'm going to return your thing. I'm going to the Target. As a mom with, don't take too long, okay? No. As a mom with so many kids, what I do is I want affordable style. I want style that other people see and they're really, really interested in participating. Hello, how are you, Frost? How are you? Don't forget to like the video while you're coming in. Where other people are interested in. And oftentimes I wear clothes and people will come on here and be like, oh my God, I love your shirt. I love your earrings. I love that. And where did you buy it at? And I do share because I don't gatekeep on stuff that I have. Yeah, that's the same thing. I don't gatekeep on partnership and YouTube collabs that I have. I don't gatekeep on it, right? That's why I'm sharing this with you guys. So I will share where I get my affordable styles from and stuff like that with you guys. And so brands have seen that and they say, hey, I have some clothes. I need you to just to wear them on your platform. And that's all I need you to do. Just put them on and people ask you where they're from. You tell them. So you see how that aligns with what I do? All right. So I don't ever want you to teach to think that YouTube is a space where you just come, chill out, laugh, skip, have fun. You have to be intentional. And if you're not a viewer and you are a content creator, it's your art. So it could be abstract art. It could be any type of art, as long as you are connecting to someone, okay? And oftentimes, some of us as content creator, we're creating, but there's nobody connecting to us. What are you making? So I am making some pumpkin, green plantains, corn, and I'm cutting up a chocho. I forgot the chocho. I'm making cabbage with saltfish. Yeah. All right. So you got to show up that way. You definitely got to show up that way. So here's what I've been doing to attract very high